my dear friends. Today we are going to learn about how we can use the MCP server in Cursor. So it's basically a practical guide with step and the working example code. So let's get started. So before moving forward, like what is MCP? So like MCP is a model context protocol, and it is like basically user for file it's just an interface, you can say that, and is an open standard that lets AI application like Cursor connect to external tool, data sources and service through a single conscious interface. Like it has a standard interface, live context and custom tool. Like you can use the too many tools that are created by others, and many tools are available. Like it's an open sources. And also the on the right I have mentioned some hierarchy like Cursor, MCP client and MCP protocol, such as goes to the file system, custom API server and database. Then why we need to add MCP server to Cursor? So here I have mentioned some advantages such as grounded answers, action not just text, like what is like to let the agent create a PR, run query or hint hit an internal API on your behalf. Then reusable across like you can reusable the codes, reusable, like too many things that you don't need to write multiple times, you don't need to do the task multiple times. So the concept of reusable is very good. Then composable workflow, change several servers together, search then write and deploy in one conversation. Basically it will in the only one like only in one session it will search and automatically write and then deploy them by themselves. Then setup overview. First you need to download the node.js. If you have, then you can good to go. And also the Cursor, then write the server, use the direct model context protocol and packet to define the tool. Then registry in Cursor, like add a server command to mcp dot json. Then the last step is use it in a chat, like you can use it in a chat, the interface just like ChatGPT. The Cursor have the same thing. You can prompt it and the Cursor will make the application or do the result according to your requirement. So ask the agent a question, it call your tool automatically. Then here I have mentioned some example of custom MCP server. You can have a look on it. Like the first step is I have installed some dependency, and then I created the server.js. As I mentioned, you need to install node.js before doing this, and then server.js. Then I have mentioned the registry tool. So here I have mentioned some step. You can do it just like it, or you can use it for like many purposes. And also I have mentioned some like weather. I have write this code for the weather and future forecasting and current weather of a city. You can do it same for another things, such as for the temperature or just like anything that you want. Then starting the server. So the third step, is adding the stdio transport, like it's an important step because we are basically adding the stdio transport. Then mark package as an yes module. Like what is this? Like package.json. Here it will transfer the packages. For example, package.json, like name, like vector server, type what module, and main server.js. So what this code do actually? The MCP server create the server instance and hold its name and version. Then register a tool. Then declare a tool model can call with a typed input scheme. Then input schema. Then join validate argument before your function run. Then stdio server transport send and receive MCP message over stdin and stdout. Then server dot connect starts listening cursor launch this as a child process. Then registering the server in cursors. So like it's a project where dot cursor, and in the cursor I have mentioned a mcp dot json file. So mcp dot server, I this is the code. You need to put it as it is on your code. After saving the mcp .json file, you need to open a cursor setting and go to mcp, then confirm whether show a green status dot. If it's red, check the file path and node version. Yeah, the node version must be an 18 plus, and you need to verify the file path like that if it's correct or not. The tool now appears in the isn't available tool list. No server restart need after the most configured edits. Then using the tool in a cursor chat. How we can use the tool? How come we can use the tool in a cursor chat? Like what is the weather in Lisbon right now? So it will call the MCP tool and get weather of the city Lisbon. So it will do this and it will show the results such as Lisbon 22 degrees Celsius, partially loudly light breeze from the west. Then I have written like want me to check tomorrow forecast too, or set up a daily summary, like it will go on and go on. So good to know, like you can also invoke a tool exploit with enter a tool name in the chat. Like there are too many tools that you can use for this. Then cursor asks for the approval before running a tool unless auto run is enabled. Yeah, if the auto run is not enabled, then cursor will every time it will ask for the approval. Then tool description also it's some matter. Then logs for a server appear in a cursor MCP setting panel. And then here I have mentioned some best practice that you can improve your skill and coding skill. So yeah, have a look on it and you can improve your cursor. So here is a recap, like MCP turn cursor into an XTL agent. So yeah, write a small server with at the model context protocol, then register tool with schema and a handler function, then point cursor at it in dot cursor dot mcp json. Then chat naturally the agent call your tool with itself and ask for the approval, which not auto like auto run is if not enable it. So thank you for watching this video. Meet you in the next video.
If you have any question or any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will answer you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Bye and have a nice day.